welcome back to another video, and we're back with another POV. So back at the best spot. Let's see what this sounds like. Yeah, the sound of this car is pretty remarkable. I can't fault it in any ways, to be honest. But yeah, another POV drive for you guys. You guys seem to love the other one, so I thought I'd give you some more driving. See what you guys like about this one, leave it in the comments. The sound of the car. So we're currently running the Stage 2 tune on with MHD. So bolt-on modifications consist of obviously the MHD tune itself. We're running on 99 octane Tesco Momentum fuel, so that's the fuel we can get in the UK here. That's like best and closest in my area. The bolt-ons are a sports cat, and then we've got nothing else restricting the exhaust from there on. We've got a 5-inch stepped intercooler. We're running Kohler spark plugs. I've got the full MTC charge pipe kit because the charge pipes are so prone on this car, so that's been done. As well as obviously really frequent oil changes. As you guys know, I've covered it loads on the channel regarding the M235 and its issues regarding the oil starvation and stuff like that, so really frequent oil changes have been done, always replaced with the proper OEM filter or a MAN one or a Bosch one, for example. So that's what has been done kind of maintenance wise. And apart from that, coolant mode is staying the same because outside right now it's 3 degrees Celsius and the intake air temperatures are 10 degrees Celsius, which is really low compared to the stock intercooler on this. So there's no real need for me to really up the coolant mode on this. I will probably do it if I'm still running this tune in the summertime, just because it helps with the driving, especially as you're burning more fuel and more air, so you're going to be producing more heat, so it's obviously going to need to cool the engine down a bit more, so that's something to consider. But yeah, that's enough chatting. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, give it a thumbs up down below, subscribe to the channel, and we'll just crack on with a bit more POV driving. Hopefully we'll be able to open it up a little bit within reason and have a little bit more fun. So I don't know if it's just me, but one thing that really does annoy me on these cars, I love the feel of the steering wheel when it's in sport mode, and it's just really annoying because when you're driving in Comfort or Eco Pro, where you obviously don't want to be in sport mode regarding your throttle response, it's just really annoying to have the steering wheel kind of not as tight and as heavy as it normally is with the sport mode, and that's one of the annoying things. I wish you could kind of code it in. If you guys know about anything like that, just let me know in the comments, because I'd love to be able to code the steering wheel to like always be in the setting where it feels like it's in sport mode, because it's just way heavier and it just feels much nicer to turn corners with compared to when it's in Eco Pro, when I just feel like the steering wheel is just going to literally snap off. So yeah, if you guys know anything about that, let me know. But we're almost in town now, need to get some fuel at some point, so it'll be the same Tesco Momentum. I do want to get this car on a dyno soon, with maybe some octane boosters in it as well, and I can obviously keep flashing the MHD map, keep changing it up, see what we can kind of do best on the dyno. I have had a dyno before, but I'd like to see the new figures regarding all the bolt-ons that have been done recently. So I'm hoping you guys can hear the blow-off valve inside the cabin. It does make an absolutely gorgeous noise. I really can't fault it. I think it's absolutely amazing. An ambulance over there. Where's he going? Straight on. Nice indication, mate. It is times like this where I just really wish I had an automatic car. Just stopping and starting all the time and just going from first and then just holding the clutch is just non-stop. It's really annoying, but we're getting there. Recently had an issue with the car regarding an O2 sensor as well, which is why the engine light was on, but it's not anymore. And £110 later, had to get a new upstream O2 sensor, which has been done. So we're winning now. Car's running like a dream. So I just need to go to shops, get some stuff, and then we'll be able to hit the road a bit more. It's rush hour now, which is like the worst time to drive the car, but got some errands to run, so has to be done. All right, got the stuff, GoPro, keys. Let's get back to the driving. So at Tesco, here to get some momentum. The 99 octane. Boom. Oh right, I'll put you guys in a different position now, purely because of just being able to like see. It wasn't really working too well with the POV, so I thought I'll chuck you on there, see what it's like. I think that's a new M2 in front, possibly. We'll go and have a look and see when it's a little bit drier. The roads are awful in the UK at the moment. It's been like really icy, so it's just salt water everywhere, and it's getting dark, so you guys aren't going to be able to see much, but hopefully you'll be able to hear something. And I'm pretty sure it was a new 2 Series, quite likely. But yeah, let's carry on with the drive. What I'm doing now, I don't know if you guys can hear me very well. I'm connecting to the MHD app because there's a bit of a straight coming up, and I want to do a log on the actual MHD flasher because it was running, the car was running way too lean with that O2 sensor out. So I want to graph a new log and see what it's going to be like. So we'll do a little pull up this bypass, nothing too crazy, just build up the boost and then just feed it on. So hopefully all will work. I'm connected on my device, so we should be all ready to go. So I'll film in just a second. Alright, so building the boost. I'll just tuck in this right hand lane now, and then we'll be able to go. I know you guys can't really see anything, but you should have been able to hear that, so that should graph the log. I'll put that on screen now if I can manage to get it off the MHD app, and then show you guys what that looks like. But yeah, it's just kind of a procedure with this car, just running things, making sure everything's right, and what it is, all running fantastically. It is honestly such an incredible car, and it is so fun to drive. It is crazy though, just doing a tiny little pull like that literally drops the range by 20 miles. I basically put 3/4 of a tank in, and yeah, the fuel on this with the stage 2 tune is absolutely awful, but it's to be expected, and I'm not complaining because the car's a lot of fun. It's just kind of funny how quickly this car drinks fuel. Maybe coming from the 1.6 Jonker Works was a bit of a big step regarding the engine size, but yeah, absolutely love the N55. One of the really good things with MHD is doing what I just did with graphing like a data log of how the car's running. And one of the best things you could do is if you join some Facebook groups regarding MHD or N55 groups, for example, even if you're not too sure about the graph or you don't really fully understand it, just download it onto your phone, send it into one of the group chats or like the groups on Facebook, and some wise person will reply on there. I know I did that with something I was a bit unsure about, and obviously you've got to learn all the time, and some of the information you get from the group chats is really good stuff. So I definitely recommend it. If you guys are lost with something, then definitely ask some of the people on there, because they do know this stuff. So anyone who has helped me in the past or replied, I really do appreciate it, and more to come in the future. Just really annoying in the UK how it gets dark so quickly. Trying to record content for you guys after work, and it's always a difficulty, but we're dropping down to third now, and you guys can hear a little pull. Actually we'll go second because we're slowing down, but you should be able to hear the blow-off valve. Sounds absolutely amazing. Coming up to a little bit of a overtaking lane here, so be able to put it in sport again and open it up ever so slightly on this overtaking lane. Man, I love this car. If you guys enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. I'm thinking I kind of end it there. I might put some videos, if I end it with when I'm actually at the destination I want to be at, I'll put some videos on the screen, but there's no point me really recording anymore in the dark, and unfortunately it's just so busy I can't really, you know, show you guys too much of the car today. But check out the channel, there's loads of content on there regarding my 235, so if you guys want to check out more of that, you can go on the channel and see that. I'd appreciate you guys if you subscribe to the channel, it really supports me, and yeah, I'll put some more videos on the screen, maybe some sound clips of the car, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Alright, that wraps up today's video, guys. Unfortunately it just got too dark, but I appreciate you guys watching as always. Car's all locked up and everything, so subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you very much for watching.